First, Crypto Newbies, a step-by-step guide to getting started. Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. This step-by-step guide for beginners will provide you with all the essential information to get started with cryptocurrencies. Step 1. Understanding the basics. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It is decentralized, meaning it is not subject to government or financial institution control. Types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies exist. Advantages of cryptocurrencies. Fast and cheap transactions, high security, decentralization, transparency, and global accessibility. Disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. High price volatility, risk of hacking, limited widespread acceptance, and uncertain regulations. Step 2. Choosing a wallet. What is a wallet? A cryptocurrency wallet is a secure place to store your private keys, which are used to access your cryptocurrency holdings. Types of wallets. Software wallets, hardware wallets, and exchange wallets. Choosing the right wallet. Select a wallet that matches your needs and security level. Step 3. Buying cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Online platforms where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Creating an account. Register on a reputable exchange and verify your identity. Choosing a payment method. Use various payment methods like bank transfers, credit cards, or PayPal to purchase cryptocurrency. Placing a buy order. Place an order to buy your desired cryptocurrency at the specified price and quantity. Step 4. Storing cryptocurrency securely. Private key security. Keep your private keys offline and in a secure location. Never share your private keys with anyone. Using hardware wallets. For maximum security, store your cryptocurrency in hardware wallets. Beware of scams. Be cautious of scams and fake websites posing as cryptocurrency-related services. Step 5. Learning more. Educational resources. Numerous online and offline resources are available to learn more about cryptocurrencies. Read books, articles, and websites. Take online courses and webinars. Connect with experienced individuals in online forums and local groups. Important tips. Do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Diversifying your cryptocurrency portfolio is crucial. Avoid emotional trading. Understand the risks associated with cryptocurrencies. By following these tips, you can navigate the cryptocurrency world safely and responsibly. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. Do you have any questions about cryptocurrencies? Ask in the comments below.